Go over how to load your rig builder and how to set your build asset, your asset environment, so that the entire system knows exactly which character you are currently working on. So if this is the first time that you're loading the rig tools, just run in a Python command line. You can just do import RigBot or JamRig, and then RigBot.run. And this will give you the main RigBot or JamRig UI. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go over to the Tools tab and reload your shelves. You reload your shelf, you'll get the rigging shelf over here, which you can access the RigBot UI from this button here. Moving forward, make sure you save your shelf. So the other thing you're going to want to do, the first thing that you're going to want to do when rigging, when starting a new character, is you're going to go to the asset environment, which is this little group of pull downs and this file path and this button's up here on the top. So here you can set your job, you can set your asset, and you can set your variant. Now, rig variant is things like body rig, face rig, primary rig, mocap rig. You can create variants by just right-clicking and giving it a new variant name. You can also create new assets by right-clicking on the asset pull-down, giving that an asset name, and same thing with job. Now, these creation features are only going to be available in the home environment version. It's if you have set up JamRig to work at home, you'll be able to create these assets like I can here. If you're working on Jam's internal pipeline, you have to go through their pipeline tools to create assets and so on. The only thing you can do in the Jam pipeline is create a variant. So once you've set your asset, we're going to set it to, let's set it to this vehicle helicopter rig that I've been working on. Then you'll get the build path. Now, the build path will be different based off of whether you're working in the office or at home. If you hit this little folder button, you'll get a file browser that opens you up to the top level rig build folder. Now, in the top level rig build folder, you'll have all of the build code that you need, your data IO, and then your build data like skate clusters and septum keys and constraints and so on for each variant of your rig. Then you'll also have your layout, which we'll get into in the next video. And then your custom code, which we'll also get to in another video. So that is pretty much it as far as loading the tool set and setting your asset.